stop what you're doing, pause this video, search Faces by Fahey, make sure you click subscribe and click the little bell to get all notifications for when I upload. So we're going to start off with the Marcel BB cream for Golden Glow, which is a skin enhancer, and we're just going to plop that on all over his face and make sure you rub it all in properly and get it in all the little nooks and crannies, all cover up them pores and just even out the skin and get a good glow. And it smells lovely. So then I'm going to take the Fahey foundation in the shade Nude and just squeeze some onto a beauty blender, and we're just going to tap that in all over his face using the blender to make sure you really blend it out, press down quite hard. Make sure you pull it down your neck so that you've not got that horrible line around your face, and to make sure that it's really blended down. I think this foundation is so good, like you can see how red my face is, and it really just covers that up. I've seen a lot of comments about people not liking it, and I don't understand because I absolutely love it. Now on the forehead, can you see I use little upward motions to make sure it blends into the hair so you've not got a line around there either. Then I'm just going to take the Fahey concealer in the shade Neutral and put that underneath to cover up the bags under my eyes. And then I'm just going to pop it at the end as well, just to lift the eyes up a little bit. And then I'm going to put it on all the places I want highlighting, so the cupid's bow, the chin, underneath the cheekbones. I'm going to pop a bit, when I move my hair out of the way, I'm going to pop it on the centre of my forehead, and then I'm going to drag that down the nose. I'm just going to take Beauty Blender again and dab that in to blend it out. Make sure you really press it into your skin. If your beauty blender gets a bit dry, just spray it with some fixing spray and carry on. But yeah, this will accentuate the high points of your face, and I put it underneath my cheekbones to make it look like I actually have a cheekbone. And then I'm going to take the Contour Cosmetics palette and just use the middle shade at the top just to really brighten up that under eye area a little bit more, and just blend that out again. I'm going to take that same contour palette and use this middle really warm shade just to apply to my cheekbones and blend out. The reason that you don't put this on everywhere at the same time like you would with the concealer and then blend it all out is because it does dry really fast, does cream contour. So when you put it on, you've got to blend it out straight away, because if it starts to dry, that's when you get that like muddy look and it just doesn't blend out very well and you have like lines on your face. So I'm just going to do that again the same side. And then look, I have pretend cheekbones. And then put it underneath my bottom lip and on top of the top lips, just to really create that illusion that we've got bigger lips than we do, because we're like an illusion. Put some down each side of the nose again to create the illusion that we've got a smaller nose than we do. Not that I need to, but I just like it. And make sure you blend downwards, not inwards, otherwise you're just going to cover up the middle section which you want to bring forward. I'm going to put it on in a little triangle shape up here and blend that out just to make the forehead look smaller and warmer. So I'm going to dab that in and then use them upward motions again and outwards to really pull it into the hair and not into the centre of the face, which we're trying to brighten the centre and darken the outside, so you've got to make sure that you pull it outwards and not inwards. And then just do the same on the other side. And if you feel like one side's darker than the other, just plop a bit more on. There we go, we actually have bone structure. I'm just going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and pop that under the eyes. I don't use it really for baking because I don't leave it there for long. I just use it because I feel like it really brightens it up, and as well, like there I'm putting it underneath the where the contour and the cheekbones will be. It then stops like the bronzer fading into that. It keeps that sharp line there that I really like. Then I'm taking the Mineral Compact Powder in Fair Ivory number 5. And I'm just plopping that all over my face, and make sure you just dab it in the places where you've not got powder already. Don't smear it, only smear it once you've got enough powder on there so it doesn't drag the foundation around that you've done underneath. And I'm just doing that with a big fluffy brush. Make sure you've got everywhere covered because I like it matte. And taking the Dream Sun bronzer I'm using quite a flat brush to do that with because I like it to be precise and sharp cheeks. And then face it the other way and drag it inwards from the forehead, down the nose, around the lips, underneath that chin, and then just warm up the forehead a little bit more. Oh look, cheekbones. If you struggle to find cheekbones, suck in to find them. And then I'm just taking that little bit of powder that's left on the blender just to really get them lines at the sides. I'm just taking a little bit of blush and popping it on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to take the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palette, and I'm using the golden shade. I'm just going to pop that on all the areas that I want highlighting, and look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I love that golden colour. I like a gold highlight. So I'm popping that on the cupid's bow and the chin and the nose as well. And then I'm going to put it underneath the brow bone and on top. Oh, a sneeze. It gives that sun-kissed, beautiful look. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and spray it with setting spray and pop it into the white and just put that on the really, really high points that I really want to just pop. Like, look at that little pop. Ooh. And then I'm just going to put that literally in the precise points, like the cupid's bow and the nose. Not everywhere. And then we've really got that glow. I'm just going to wipe off all the excess product that I've got on the lips. And go back over that little cupid's bow again. And that is my finished blended out look. Love to you all. See you soon. See you in the next one.